She want to go to Amma's house. Morning, she already go out one. She take one basket to put flower. She don't want to walk long, so go take shortcut. Wow! She don't know got one animal follow her leh. She happy walk until she come to Amma house. Amma! Come, open the door lah. She thought. Then Amma also thought back. Come in lah, never close one. Little Red Riding Hood open the house and go inside the door. Oh, sorry. Open the door and go inside the house. She see her Amma on top of the bed. She go ask Amma, Amma, how come your eye so very big one, huh? So I can see you, ma. Amma say back. Amma, how come your ear very long one, ah? So very easy to hear you lah. Amma, how come? Aiya, so many questions one are you? Never die before, is it? Sorry lah, Amma. I don't know, ma. That's why I ask. What? Sorry. Now I want to eat you. I know, Amma. I animal one, you know. That's why.
There's some more. Oh, it's just one page.
Oh, okay. Wow, Little Red Riding Hood very scared already. She screamed very loud, but the animal already eat her lah. Not inside stomach already. Suddenly got one people cut wood one, go inside the house. He want to save Little Red Riding Hood. He go and cut the animal's stomach and take out everything, but he is too late. Little Red Riding Hood become shit already.